Haka-spark ka program kabala Plie pa hausnam araja arpusaw hakabala pinwandur na kabenta ban Kyntiew kasap kapong jong gikinna Samla kibadang ki kat kani ka jugbamenta. Shisnem hadim blawan ra yakani ka scheme dagi spa ngot kip Samla puli kilayalum lang hausoso tham auditorium menta gasngi banyashim menta haka jingalang jong ka spark submit araja arpusan. Hagani ka jingalang jong ka spark submit menta gasngi lawanya shimbenta lang da umentri rang ba ka Jylla konrad ki sangma bot umentri ka tnat ka puli puthi rakam e sangma nalor kiwe pa ki he officer. Haga jingkren ka jong konrad sangma ulo ong ka Jylla Meghalaya ka long ka way nagi katto kat ni teli ki Jylla ki badon ye ka thong ban Kyntiew ki Samla ki badang ki baladangi kwa maka Jylla Meghalaya kan long ka way nagi Jylla ka bapawa kari ni don kam mentre shitong badan paik ma chaman la ki benta wat langi haban ma ye bun ki jing e ba ki jing tanjo.
And we hope that we'll be able to now take the Spark program and even broaden the entire thought process of how we'll be able to go for exchange programs. We'll be able to connect the Spark program with our entrepreneurship program, with the MGMP program, with the Prime program, and so on and so forth. So we need to work on this. But we remember that it will have to be a teamwork. There will always be challenges. Let us work together and take our state forward. We need to have the commitment. We need to have the passion.
Umentri katnat ka puli ka puthi rakam sangma ulo ong baga jing penlut ha katnat ka puli ka puthi kam dei tang bantei ki yeng building Henry don kam ru banwan rai ki scheme ai jingi kai ki ba pher ki banya rabi Samla ban kiew ha ki sap ki phong bat bantei ka emlang ka salang. Kumju secretary kani katnat uswap nil tembe ula kren shaphang ka jing thumu jong ka spark.
This government building new infrastructure, establishing new colleges, institutions, and many schools has been built newly and has been renovated.
And we have already covered all the districts and nearly 5,000 plus students we have covered. Of course, it's around 25 schools only, but this is just the second year. So we will continue the expansion under Samla.
Hagani ka program la yo iru ki jing pen insap jong ki Samla puli ba ka jing kren badon jing mut ki jong ki Samla puli ringkat ki no hikai.
The Spark program has taught me that in life, success is not the only thing that we should achieve. But in life, we should become good human beings. That is all life about.
It taught us a lot about life, about our demeanor, our body language, our facial expressions, and it taught us how to speak to other people.
From start, I received some special courage, not loud courage, but quiet courage.
And I'm so happy that this program has been introduced and given to schools, especially in the rural areas, where we need to bring out the confidence and help the students come out of the shyness that they have. Like they are just not confident enough to just say anything.
Hagani ka sngi umentri rang ba ka Jylla ula samru iki tablet ki Samla puli ki bawan chakmat bat kumju ru iki school ki bawan yeshim benta hagani ka spark program. Yagani ka program la penyai de ka avenues Lyngba ka jingkershan jong samagra siksha hapo katnat ka puli puthi.